So hi Sascha, great to see you here at the stand. Embedded World 2023, we're with you at Cloudflight I/O. One of the most important things about a product, especially for consumers, is how that product looks and how easy it is to control and set up. And you're a specialist in human-machine interfaces, HMIs. Tell us about how you support customers getting that perfect look.
I'd love to. So first, thank you for visiting us here. What you see here is a quite good example on what we can do for our customers in end-to-end digitalization. Starting with a human-machine interface, we provide the HMI design, can do the implementation, development for them on the front end, but also in the back end, talking about fleet management or IoT solutions like predictive maintenance and so on.
So there's a broad spectrum there. When it comes to something like this is a coffee machine that's obviously not really designed for the home. This is more of an industrial type coffee machine. What's implemented on the back end, and how do you help with the development of the back end in order, you can do predictive maintenance and monitoring?
In the back end, we do, for example, here for Melita, the Melita Insights, which is their portal where their end customers can control recipes, can also control the advertisements, what they show on the displays. So everything which is important for an OEM can be controlled in this
space, yeah. So there's also lots of different screens, lots of touchscreen technologies, lots of IoT solutions. Are you able to help your customers with any of those, or do you specialize in certain types of specialize with certain hardware providers?
No, we're in terms of hardware providers, we are quite agnostic. It's also when we're talking about cloud, we can go with each and all cloud providers. So we provide the service, whatever the customer needs. Most time they have already selected a hardware, and we help them to make their hardware to have more performance on their hardware.
Yeah. And what sort of application spaces or market segments are you helping people? Obviously, this is a coffee machine, more sort of industrial coffee machine solution, but what other areas can you help in?
We are on the one hand in the field of manufacturing, talking about machines and devices. We are in healthcare. We are in space, where we process petabyte of data, of satellite data. We are in transport and logistics. We do e-commerce. So there are
a really broad range
of industries, and other industries are emerging as well. When we consider clean rooms, or we are in a food industry where we don't want to have the pollution or thing, there we have the holographic touch, what we develop with a hardware partner, where you can, without touching the device, can enter, can make selections. It might be interesting for elevator control or door access systems, ATMs.
Super. Well, thank you ever so much for taking the time to show us the innovation in HMIs, and we look forward to catching up with some more solutions at the next show.
Yeah.